We're going to go to our news reporter, Elise Martinez now. Well, Elise was near a road where it was jammed with cars as people were fleeing the area. And here are some of those dramatic moments from earlier today.
We are above PCH, below Palisades. Conditions, I would say, are deteriorating at this point. Huge gusts of wind coming and just ash and smoke everywhere. In the last 10 or 15 minutes, we've seen several spot fires erupt. We're pointing our camera now at one of the biggest ones that we're seeing. It's right on the corner of Sunset and Los Lioness, and I'm looking at a map, and it looks like it is either near or around the Shabbat Jewish Community Center in Pacific Palisades. You can see that bright flames just popping out to the side. All of a sudden it got very hectic. We saw a lot of first responders running to the scene. They're trying to get out these spot fires before they spread in this intense wind. It is just whipping up here, and we just moved up towards Palisades. We're just about half a block from Palisades. We're still on Sunset, and we stopped and we saw this house on fire. And moments after we got here, we watched part of it just absolutely collapse. And it is completely engulfed. And two Huntington Beach fire and Newport Beach fire, they both stopped in here. We believe that they are going to start doing some structure protection for the other homes around this home. Now, as we were also driving up the street, we can see where the panic started and why they started evacuating people from their cars, because you could see where the flames had jumped Sunset, and one car actually was completely burned. To get to the area where all those people had to jump out of their cars and run down to PCH, we found it. The end is right here, and the line of cars goes back up all the way up the street. Probably, I would say, at least 100 cars had to stop here. You can imagine how traumatizing this was for a lot of people. The hillside above, there's actually flames where I'm standing. It looks like a home is on fire over here. But again, you can see a lot of these cars got into collisions during all of this. A lot of these cars have mangled bumpers, and it looks like they just smashed into each other during the chaos of trying to get out of here. Again, they were coming down the hill. There was a lot of traffic, and firefighters approached them, told them to get out of their vehicles and get down to safety. And just imagine how frightening that was. But luckily, the fire didn't reach these cars, but they were blocking the roadway. So a dozer came up, and basically you can see the dozer cleared this path right here. So that fire engines and trucks and first responders can get through